case review was prompted by an update I saw in an intriguing case which was previously dismissed. A cartoon character has essentially defeated a mobster actor, and now the mobster actor is appealing. Frank Severo, notorious for his role in Goodfellas, sued Fox Television Studios, claiming they stole his likeness and they stole his character, Frankie Carbone, for the Simpsons character, Louie. The plaintiff cited several uncanny similarities between himself and the character Louie, including the curly hair, the unique shape of the sideburns, and certain mannerisms. When analyzing the two characters, Judge Rita Miller, presiding judge of the case, was quoted as saying to Severo's attorney, "If I was a teenage girl and I had a crush on your client, would I be happy with a poster of Louie?" Coincidentally, or perhaps not so much so, one of the writers for The Simpsons previously lived in the same apartment building in Sherman Oaks as Frank Severo back in 1989. They had discussions, and they also talked with co-creator James Brooke about working together on a few things. Several years later, the character Louie was launched on The Simpsons, with no involvement and no compensation to Severo. The plaintiff, Frank, had asked for $250 million in damages, as the character Louie had appeared in 15 Simpsons episodes, Simpsons video game, and a movie. So now Severo may be faced with a very stiff bill. Portions of the law in this case provide for prevailing party attorney's fees, and what that means is that the winning party is able to be reimbursed for their attorney's fees from the losing party. Upon review of the actual complaint filed against the Simpsons creators, it contained causes of action for 1. Infringement of right to publicity, 2. Misappropriation of name and likeness, 3. Misappropriation of ideas, 4. Intentional interference with prospective business advantage, and 5. Unjust enrichment. In her 9-page opinion, Judge Rita Miller cited many factors for the dismissal. Among some of the factors was the fact that the character constituted a parody, and a parody constitutes transformative use that is not subject to likeness claims. The judge granted Fox's motion to strike the complaint based in part on California's anti-SLAPP law. This law requires that any time a plaintiff challenges a right to free speech or a First Amendment right, they must demonstrate that there's a likelihood of prevailing on the claim. Frank Severo is not unfamiliar with the courtroom. He had previously sued a deli called Deli Belly over a sandwich they created. Their sandwich was named the Frankie Carbone and used his photo. The sandwich consisted of salami, mortadella, ham, provolone cheese, banana peppers, and Italian dressing. But in true gangster style, Frankie is not going down without a further fight. His attorney has already filed his notice of appearance, and brief should be filed shortly. As Frankie would say, "Eat my shorts, Louie." Goodbye for now, my legal scholars.